Okay, what is going on out there today, people of the internet? I apologize for all this reflectivity here. I can't really do too much about it. We've got Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Power Smashers today. This is my second foyer, or foyer? Is that the right word? No, that's not the right word, is it? This is my second experience with Power Smashers. I do have another video. Check it out. It's in a card up at the top of the screen. It's called like the Chase and Race or something like that. Check it out. It's all up there, everyone. What are we looking at today? It's the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Big Rig and Truck Multi-Pack. And yes, it is Power Smashers. We've got the Mega Rex and the Tiger Shark in this thing. Very, very cool. Let's check out the sides right here. See, on the side right here, we got Power Smashers and we have Mega Rex right here. And on this side, we flip it over here, we got Power Smashers and we got the Tiger Shark. I cannot believe I actually got this. I'm very, very lucky to have found this. I've come to find that these big rigs are not really for sale everywhere. I've had a few comments saying that people are not able to find them. The only retail store that I've ever seen big rigs in is Walmart. Everything else I've got has come off of Amazon. So I don't know. There's a shopping tip or something. I don't know. Power Smashers. Let's check out the back right here. It's pretty straightforward. I don't know what's up with all this lightning. Like there's lightning coming up out of the ground here. All of these trucks look electrified. Look at I mean, look at this. Mega Rex right there, and then we got Tiger Shark over here. Yeah, and there's like electricity buzzing up out of the ground. It's all bedlam and craziness. Well, obviously, we're going to get these out of this package here. We're going to take a look at them, then we're going to race them. We're going to race these two, and obviously we have two built-in teams right here. We have Team Mega Rex and Team Tiger Shark. Before I open this, let me address this right now before I forget. The roll cage right there, you can see it's kind of translucent looking. We're going to take a, obviously a lot better look at it later. It does not glow in the dark. These don't glow, for anyone who may be wondering. Okay, how do we get into this? We got some tape right here. I gotta get a tool here. Hang on one moment. I've got the box cutter right here, and I just put a brand new razor blade in it right there. There's a little bit of rust on it, but it's brand new, I swear. Listen to that car. Holy. Time for a new muffler or something, buddy? Not that I should talk. As I am opening this, if you would like to check out some other Hot Wheels related content, please click on the card at the top of the screen. It will take you to the entire Hot Wheels playlist. As I struggle to get this open here. That playlist will also be in a pinned comment down below the like button. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's very, very important. I keep saying this. I don't want to say it, but apparently I sort of have to. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Getting rid of the box. Oh boy, oh boy. Now we have this plastic insert here, which I'm almost certain is not recyclable. We're gonna take this in here. There's the Mega Rex right there. Now we got the Mega Rex Big Rig. Now we are on a little bit of a slope here, so they should slide back. I've done my best to level this, but I've talked about this before in many videos. I'm not talking about it anymore. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it's all hooked up. Look at that. Getting rid of that plastic insert. All right. Where do we start here? What are we going to look at? Well, we might as well look at the Tiger Shark Big Rig. I found that this hook thing here is a little bit tricky to get back in. There it is in the stowed position. I will say this right off the bat. The Tiger Shark Big Rig is my least favorite. I just don't really like this tow behind thing. I think it looks kind of weird. Like we have this tow cable kind of basically coming out of the, how do I say this, backside of the Tiger Shark. And yeah, it's like pulling from the backs. You kind of get what I don't know. Not going to speak about it anymore. And this will also hook on the right. We'll talk about that later. Let's take a look at the big rig itself. Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth right there. Look at the lightning too. All this lightning coming all the way back here like this. It says Tiger Shark right there as all Tiger. Well, I shouldn't say all. I don't know if all Tiger Sharks actually say Tiger Shark. You can tell it is a Tiger Shark by the nose. If it has a nose like that, it is a Tiger Shark and not a Shark Wreck. At least that's what I have been told. We have a translucent chassis and roll cage. We got blue for the chassis, a translucent blue color. I don't think I've seen that before anywhere. As I said before, the roll cage does not glow. There's no glow involved here. I mean, it could glow. I don't see. Hey, what's going on with at that. Just the way I was looking at it. I thought that this tire was like stuck up here or something. It's just the way I was, anyway, whatever. Might cut that out of the video. No, I'll leave it in, I'll leave it in. It actually does look like fish swimming in the, it looks like something, I just don't know about that. We have these pretty funky, I think they are a little translucent too, translucent orange wheels on here. They're pretty cool. White rims with a blue bead lock. Okay. Let's take a look at the other Tiger Shark that came in the 4-pack. Again, says Tiger. It's basically the same as the big rig. You know what a Tiger Shark is. Big difference is we have translucent rims, which I don't think I have seen before. We got the teeth, we got the light. Look at the eyeball right there with the lightning shooting all the way back there. The monster truck symbol right there is completely sheathed in lightning. Exact same chassis and roll cage. Now, how this works is this will come out here, and obviously this will hook on. Oh, I just hit the tripod, I'm sorry. It'll hook on right here. You see that right there? It'll hook up just like that. We're all hooked up just like that, and yeah, see, we can go like this. We can go bam, and it can hit the wall and do all sorts of stuff. You can back up, you can move all around, and it actually, well, there you go. Okay, let's take a look at the Mega Rex. Got lots of lightning shooting back on the Mega Rex too. I do believe, let's take a look here. Hang on, let me grab the Tiger Shark here. The blue chassis on the Mega Rex is a deeper blue than it is on the Tiger Shark. That's pretty cool. They are different. I do believe though, let me pick this up again, are the rims and whatnot the same? I think it's the same color blue on the bead lock. I think. I can't really tell. Yeah, I would say it's exactly the same. The wheels, obviously the tires or whatever, they are obviously quite different. I do like the Mega Rex. It looks very, very intimidating. Check out the stacks. Big difference, obviously, with the Mega Rex is it is a bed truck. You put the Mega Rex right on just like that. Let's check out this Mega Rex real quick. We have the same translucent rims that we have on that guy right over there. I just can't reach right now. Lightning all over the place. Is the pattern of light? No, the pattern's not exactly the same. It's similar, but it's not exactly the same. Okay. Well, that's basically it. There's not really too much more to show. We've got Team Tiger Shark versus Team Mega Rex right here. One of them is going to reign supreme on the Wreckin' Raceway. Who is it gonna be? Let's find out. I've got the Wreckin' Raceway all set up here. You are very, very familiar with the Wreckin' Raceway at this point, I assume anyway. We have Team Mega Rex and Team Tiger Shark. They're gonna face each other in a little mini tournament right here. I will say this, if I were a gambling man, I'm certainly not a gambler. I mean, I have gambled before, but I would definitely not consider myself a gambler. There's a certain distinction there. I would not put money on Team Tiger Shark. I just wouldn't. There's a couple things that we have to address. First of all, we'll take Mega Rex right here, the big rig, the Power Smashers big rig, I will say. Put them right there. Now, certain big rigs suffer from this problem. Mega Rex isn't really one of them. I'll hold the tire right here and I'll flip it up and the tail will just barely make contact. Let's see if I can do this. I might do a slow-mo replay where you can see this. Let's see here. Let's see. Mega Rex's tail will just clip the sign right here. It does not suffer from that problem out of the left lane though. As you can see, the tail actually goes right clear of the sign. Watch this. Whoa, okay. Now we have to talk about Tiger Shark. This is a whole different ball game right here. Put Tiger Shark right up in here. Now you can see this hook thing right here, and you might, I'll just show you what happens. Yeah, you see, they literally just hang themselves right there from the sign. So what we have to do is we actually have to pull this out. And this is kind of difficult to do with one hand. You kind of have to hold it. There we go. Okay. Now I put Tiger Shark right in there like that. Let me just reset this and we'll just run it. We'll run it right now. Here we go. Oh yeah, they stalled out right there. That's the other thing I was going to talk about. You can see when the truck comes down right here, it needs to make this turn right here before this rumble car. Now, because the the big rigs are so long and they're they're stiff, they have trouble making it through this first turn. So they might kind of like just rumble there, or they might actually just stall out. You can see, okay, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, okay. Now, when we go to the other lane, Tiger Shark's claw thing back there, I guess it's the tow hook, really, it will clip the corner right here, but it typically, I've never seen it actually hang itself like it does out of this lane right here. Let's see. Oh, that's the first time I've ever, I swear to God, that's the first time I've ever seen that happen. Okay, fine. Okay, I stand corrected, people. I stand corrected. You do have to have this pulled out at all times. I stand corrected, people. I was wrong. Let's try that again. That's a little bit better. Oh, look at that though. Hit the flagpole. These flags are actually very, very important to have. And you can see they're kind of getting stressed out a little bit. I'm a little bit leery that they're going to break one of these days, but you know, I'll figure something out. We'll make a replacement piece. They are very important. They're very important. The big rigs do work, but I just wanted to show you how, you know, like I said, they are a little bit problematic. I'm not really too sure if you can remove this without breaking it or not. I think you can, but I'm not going to risk it. There's a little tab underneath that I think you can push in, and this might pop out, which would be kind of cool, because then we could try racing a truck, you know, like we could try racing them like this. But I'm not willing to break the sign for a video. I'm not. Oh, whoa! I'm not willing to do that. I'm not willing to do that. All right, let's get organized here. Obviously, the trucks are going to face each other, and then the big rigs will face each other, and then the winners of those two races will face each other for ultimate supremacy on this day. So dramatic. We're gonna run these two trucks first. We just gotta pick lanes. Now, obviously, you know how it goes. We have the Rhodesian penny right here. The crest of Rhodesia will indicate that Mega Rex will get the left lane right there, because we go in alphabetical order and M is before T in the alphabet. This is something that you must learn. Oh, it is the crest. Let's take a look. Yes, the crest of Rhodesia has come up, so it will be the Power Smashers Mega Rex right here in the far lane. And this is, of course, going to be best 2 out of 3. You know how it goes, and we switch up them lanes after each victory. I'm going to grab the string for the first one. Here. Here we go. Here's our first race of the day. What's going to happen? Yeah, predictably, Mega Rex dominated that one. Tiger Shark, I don't know. I like I said, I would not put money on the Tiger Sharks. That's just, you know, take my word for it or not. Resetting again. Here we go, race number 2. Okay, we got a stall up there. We're just gonna reset everything. Let me get Tiger Shark in there. We got Mega Rex in there, and we'll run it again. Oh my God. I might have to be a little bit more, what would I say, aggressive on the flip. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Tiger Shark comes back. Okay. Well, what are you gonna do about that, Mega Rex? Let's see here. We're gonna do this third contest right here. Sudden death, as some people might call it. All right, here we go. Third and final contest. Oh, look at that Tiger Shark. Oh, Mega Rex. Screwed over by the crocodile. That's terrible. Okay, well, Mega Rex was defeated there. Get these guys out of the way. Okay, here is our winner right here. Here's our winner, Tiger Shark Power Smashers. Right there. Now, we got these two behemoths. Let's close everything up before we do the stuff we're about to do, which involves this coin right here. We're going to do the exact same thing. The crest of Rhodesia will be Mega Rex. Here we go. Oh, nope. It is Tiger Shark. This is the first time ever anywhere in the world you will see the Power Smashers Mega Rex Big Rig versus the Power Smashers Tiger Shark Big Rig on the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Wreckin' Raceway. You won't see this anywhere else, I guarantee it, people. Often imitated, never duplicated. Here we go, race 1. You know? See what happened? See, that's what happens to these big rigs sometimes. They get jammed up in there. Other times they roll out just fine. I don't know. Let's reset everything and run it again. Race 2 coming up. Here we go. Race number 2. Tiger Shark is about to prove me very, very wrong if they win this race. I couldn't even be more wrong. Here we go, people. Race 2. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, well, that was all Megarex. It was all Megarex. Comes down to a third and final contest. Third and final contest. I don't know. Can Megarex do it? I think they can. I think they can. Close up the skull. Get this as closed as I can. Sometimes this likes to pop open. But, you know, we do our best. We do our best. Here we go. Race number 3. Who is going to take it? Oh, nobody. Look at that. Okay. I'm going to try flipping it up a little bit harder this time. Maybe that will get Megarex moving. Hot Wheels has never published, you know, the standard, or what would you say, the pressure you're supposed to lift that up with. I wonder what the official, would that be the right thing? The pressure? Whatever. Here we go. Oh, okay, we got to jam up. Megarex was moving, though. Oh, jeez. Everything is falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Oh my God. Okay, this is starting to get a little bit old. Somebody win. Oh my God. Here we go again. Oh my God! We're gonna keep racing them until we have a winner. That's how we do it. I have never not had a winner on the raceway. You just gotta keep resetting everything and keep racing them. Eventually, someone will win. Just like that. Look at that. The wheels are still spinning on the back of the Megarex right there. Another thing I want to touch on as well before we do the final race. The big rigs are also very susceptible to just flying straight off the course. They seem to like to do that. Well, I cannot freaking believe that Tiger Shark has won the whole thing. Yeah, I couldn't even be more wrong. Now we got to determine lanes here. Who's going to take it? Is it going to be Tiger Shark or will it be the Tiger Shark Big Rig? I'm going to go to the Rhodesian penny right here, and the crest of Rhodesia will indicate that Tiger Shark right there because it's just Tiger Shark. I guess it would be Tiger Shark Power Smashers technically, but this is Tiger Shark Power Smashers Big Rig, so this comes first, or at least that's how I'm doing it. Here we go. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Nope, it is not the crest, so it will be the Big Rig. Big Rig will go right here. Now, this guy here, Tiger Shark, will go right in there like that. Get these tires straight here. Here we go. Race number 1. Oh, it is the Tiger Shark right there. Look at the Big Rig got eaten by the crocodile. I think they would have won. If not for the crocodile. I do. Just position them back in there. Grab Tiger Shark and reset everything again. Just gonna close the gate up here and we will run race number 2. Oh, what happened there? Oh, look, they're hooked right there on the inside. Yeah, they're hooked right there. Kind of funny. It's all Tiger Shark. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I absolutely cannot. You know, strange things happen every day, I guess. Tiger Shark is the winner of our tournament right here, people. I'm shocked. I'm absolutely shocked. Put in the comment section, did you think Tiger Shark was gonna win? I did not. That's a whole video, people. This is Power Smashers Big Rig Truck Combo Pack. I can't really remember exactly what it's called. It's a bit of a tongue twister. Power Smashers. Very, very cool. We're on to power smashing. No more arena smashing, I guess. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I want to thank you all for supporting all of these Hot Wheels Monster Trucks videos. I do appreciate it. I really, really do. Hold your head up high out there. Never look down the ground. I will catch all of you out there on the next video. You know it will be absolutely awesome and at least as epic as this video right here. Cut the camera. We're done for today. See ya.